Hey, fancy a cool refreshing limonade? Then here's your recipe.
Limonade is one of the freshest and simplest refreshing drinks to make at home. All you require is a lime, slice the lime in half. Next up, you can use a lime crusher, or I prefer using the strength of my fingers to extract the juice from the lime. Of course, salt and pepper, one of the best combinations. A pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Oh yes, and ice. To keep the ice, I prefer using the Oster Ice Crusher feature on the Oster blender. I think it does a marvelous job crushing the ice. And then what I usually do is I take a spoon and I just start to mix the mixture of salt, pepper, and ice with the fresh lime. My drink of choice is Sprite, but hey, you can use 7-Up or a soda if you please. And I usually use about half a bottle of 500 ml worth of Sprite. And there you go. Look how beautiful that is. Give it one more stir and you have it. Beautiful limonade.